About the journey that we've been on through 8 West, and I'll tell you that a great part of the journey for me on 8 West has been to learn more about the certain procedures we can undergo to help us maintain our youthful appearance. After all, Rachel, I turn 46 next month.
I cannot believe that.
I say I'm closer to 50 than 40.
Well, I guess so.
Yeah.
I don't think you have to round up in those cases, actually. I'm in my 30s, but looking young at our ages can actually be much easier for folks who actually start in their 20s.
That's right. The strategy behind getting Botox in your 20s at Carlson Laser Aesthetics. Time to talk Botox today. We're here at Carlson Laser Aesthetics with Nisha McKenzie. And Nisha, I think about Botox for somebody like me. You know, I'm closing in on 46 in a couple of months. But it's not just for women in their 30s and 40s that we consider eligible for Botox.
Right. Men and women in their 30s and 40s are very commonly, they may know, like you said, that it's time for Botox.
Yeah, you can see right here the roadmap where I probably could use some.
When you're in your 20s, people don't think about it, but it's actually ideal at that age because we can use less product and we can prevent the fine lines and wrinkles from forming at all.
You can prevent them? That seems a little strange. How does the process work?
It's like a piece of paper. If you fold a piece of paper and then unfold it, you've got a crease. If you never fold it, you're never going to form that crease. So if we take those muscles and relax them at a young age, the skin's never going to get folded.
Okay.
So it's never going to form that permanent crease. So the lines that happen on your face when you're not making an expression, those are the lines that make people start thinking, I need Botox. Those are the lines that our patient today, Allie, who is our esthetician, does not have because she's in her early 20s.
Okay, so you look at a face, you look at the skin on Allie's face, and it looks so clear. The idea here is you're going to keep it that way.
Right, right. Like I said, you'll need less Botox. By the time she's in her 30s and 40s, she'll need fewer treatments. Typically, people come in every 3 to 4 months. Probably she'll, at that point, be coming in maybe twice a year. So it's ideal, really, to start before you form those creases.
Because it sounds like, too, once you start forming those creases, it may be easier for them to become more pronounced as well as you go through time. So for a patient like Allie, what would the process be like for someone who really has hardly any facial lines? You'll just kind of go through it with some minimal treatment at this point for her.
Minimal treatment. I just have them make the expression, either raising their brow to make the lines here, furrowing their brow to make the lines here, and if they want to treat their crow's feet, smiling. Once I have them make the expression, it gives me an idea of how strong their muscle is, and that gives me an idea of how much Botox we need to use.
Okay, now you were telling me also that there's something called a brow lift that you can use. That sounds like something that would be surgical, but you can do that with Botox.
It's called the Botox brow lift. There is a surgical procedure if there's a lot of lid lag that they can do, take away the extra skin. But if you don't qualify for that and you just want a little bit more of a refreshed look to help raise that, helps open and brighten the eyes a little bit without having too surprised of a look. But it will help if we just drop a little bit of Botox in a couple different areas. We can do, like I said, what's called the Botox brow lift.
And then you use this in conjunction also with some other kinds of eye creams. The idea really is that it's almost more of a superficial kind of.
Exactly, and again, prevention. So we can treat the crow's feet with Botox, and then we couple that with an eye cream that helps to, again, smooth and increase the collagen around the eye area, because that tends to be one of the areas that we notice aging first, is right around the eyes.
And it sort of sounds like also what you're talking about is keeping women and men away from the operating room.
Exactly.
When they're in their 50s, 60s, you really can do a lot of intervention at this age.
Right, and people don't want the drastic effect as much anymore of surgeries. They just want a little bit of refreshening, and they don't want to have the scars and the downtime and the surgery and the costs associated with surgery.
Because Botox, you're right away. You can put makeup on as you leave the office.
Exactly. A lot of times people won't even know you had anything done, and within a week or so you'll see the results.
All right, so if you're considering that idea about keeping yourself looking young, looking healthy, and wrinkle-free throughout your 30s and 40s and 50s and 60s, consider starting in your 20s with Botox here at Carlson Laser Aesthetics. The staff at Carlson Laser Aesthetics have really developed this terrific approach to almost delay the aging process.
Wow.
All in the piece you can see Allie.
The fountain of youth.
She's very young. She's only 22. But these early Botox treatments for her will really help delay the fine lines and wrinkles from showing up on her skin when she's in her 30s, her 40s, and her 50s. And I loved the analogy that Nisha used. You know, she said it's like taking a piece of paper that's never been folded, and then you fold it, and that's what a wrinkle is in our skin. It's a fold. And then you have that line that's always there, and it's easier to fold
again. So you're
again.
preventing that line from ever getting there in the first place.
Exactly. Preventing it and certainly delaying it.
Yeah, well, the folks at Carlson Laser Aesthetics would like to tell you about a great special they're offering to 8 West viewers. If you call today, it has to be today, for a free consultation, you will be eligible to purchase Botox for $10 per unit. That's a great discount, and receive an Elastoderm eye cream or gel for half off.
And you know,
fantastic.
Well, and you can also get one of these kits. That'll be included in the price as well. And you know, I was asking,
that bag itself.
I love the bag. I love the fact, and I was asking him, you know, how do these products, the gel, the eye cream that is the physician based, how does that compare price wise to what you may find at a major department store? And they said it's actually comparably priced, but it does so much more for your skin because
it's a doctor's office.
It's a doctor's office.
Stronger.
Exactly. So contact Carlson Laser Aesthetics. They're located at 1525 East Beltline, Suite 101 in Grand Rapids. You must call today to book that free consultation. And by the way, they're also starting a great rewards program. Earn rewards and special discounts for services that'll be coming, that you'll be taking part in. It's really like a frequent flyer program for your face.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Put your best face forward.
There you go.
Yes. Stay with us. Much more of 8 West coming up.
Your all-access pass to everything West Michigan.